I won't get out of this without sliding into the ditch now. Guys, I'm on my way to go see a client quickly that they need to move some implements and tractors on the farm. They need to move it to the next farm. So I'm trying to get there. This is the normal gravel road that everyone uses every single day. So I'm on a slight decline now, going down towards a river, to go through the river and then up towards the farmhouses. You can see the farm, all the barns up there, right there on the horizon. Now, just have a look at this. I've been coming down this slope now and crawling. If you've got any speed, you're going to put yourself in the ditch. I see there's already tracks into the ditch. So someone, it had to be today or last night, someone had to go into the ditch already. But look at the tracks here. You can't see that this is so slippery. Only once you're on it are you able to see what's actually happening. Now, see if I'm just moving and I just press my brake, then my ABS comes on immediately. Check this. I assume you guys can hear my ABS kicking back against my foot. Look here. I'm sliding. I'm literally sliding on the road. I can't drive here. Look at that. I'm staying. This is crazy, guys. This is crazy. Oh, you see, it's pulling me. It's pulling me towards the side now. Look at my tires. Guys, this is, I literally, I can't get away from the ditch. I put it in forward drive now. I'm still sliding. Wait. I need to, I don't know how I'm gonna walk here. This is super slippery and very look at this, guys. This is crazy. So this wheel is already off the road. I'm going to be honest with you guys, I don't know how I'm going to move here. Look at this, guys. So this is not something you can predict when you look at that. Okay guys, so I'm definitely the first one to drive here today, that is for sure. I'm definitely the first guy to drive here. Because now I see the tracks here was probably from last night when it wasn't so wet yet. So that's why I've seen a few tracks up there and the one goes into the ditch. And you can see the guy went into the ditch with, I almost want to say, not with speed, but you know, a bit more momentum. So obviously the vehicle is damaged. But yeah, let me see if I can get out of this situation here, guys. Alright guys, so that is my current situation that I'm sitting with. I'm going to try and I won't get out of this without sliding into the ditch now. Guys, I'm in a real pickle here. I'm not gonna lie. It's just not possible to stay on the road. So unless I floor it a bit now to see if I can get momentum, but I don't want to go into the ditch that way. So let me see quickly what I can do here. Guys, this is absolute madness. This is madness. I can't explain to you how slippery this is. I mean, I don't know if you can see my tracks behind me. But the thing is, if you don't drive a 4x4, then you won't have any control over your vehicle. I mean, that's probably... The thing is, if you don't drive a 4x4, you won't have any control of your vehicle because the back would just slip away. Like what's happening with me. I've put it in 4x4 now. Ah, there I'm going again. Even in 4x4, I can't stay away from the ditch. Now guys, this is crazy. I'm nearing the river now, so I'm just hoping that I reach the river without going into the ditch. I actually want to turn around and go back up this road again, just so you guys can see. The tracks behind me is just crazy. It's obviously raining quite badly today, so none of the workers are out, and the people from the area, they obviously know the road, so they won't go here then. I mean, if it's such a big problem, then they'll probably stay away from this clay road, just for safety. So yeah, the part I'm on now is definitely much more solid. There's some erosion here I'm going through now, and there's a tree that fell over. Oh, I'm sliding again. I'm just going to go to the high end of the road to try and get away from all the clay as much as possible. So guys, this is the river currently. Okay, so there's quite a bit of water here. Just testing it out. Alright guys, so I'm sitting with the problem that either I need to go through all this water, either I need to go through here, or I need to turn around and go back up. I'm going to be honest with you guys, I don't think turning around is an option, because if I turn around now with how slippery it was up coming down, I mean, I was on my brakes and my truck was still sliding, even without my wheels turning. I don't think I'll have the momentum to get up there without pulling myself into the ditch. And obviously my tires are full of clay already, so it's going to be so slippery. So I think there's only one way, and that's forward. Yeah. So I think we'll just go to low range. I don't know if I'll need the flock through here. I'm just going to use my low range diff lock. Let's go second gear. We see what happens. I'll give you guys the outside view as long as I can keep my hand out, because I might need to floor it at some stage. Guys, that was very, very uneventful going through that water. I can still feel it a little bit on my heart rate, that's for sure. But I wasn't sure, obviously, how slippery it's going to be going through that water. But yeah, that wasn't bad at all. So now can you hear my ABS still doing the whole skid thing? But I'm so full of clay now. Alright guys, so I can see the gravel on this side of the river is much darker. It's a different color. There's more pebbles in it. Yeah, don't make a mistake. Don't make any mistake. This is very slippery still, but it's not nearly as slippery as the other side. Yeah, I'll be honest. That's dangerous, guys. That's dangerous. If you come down that road, you know, at a normal speed for a gravel road, you won't be able to stop, and you will be in the ditch. I feel like there should be some sort of warning up there to warn people. Yeah, so I'm almost turning into the farm now, and I'll just speak to the guy and see what he says, because obviously this is becoming a more and more popular area for people to come explore and come to the winelands, to the, you know, to the vineyards here, drink some wine and just have a good time. This is fun. This is fun. This is a lot of fun. So guys, yeah, I'll speak to him, and it's slipping all over the place. Guys, I'm really enjoying this. I was a bit stressed back there because if I'm stuck there, I don't know how I'm gonna get out. We won't be able to get the truck in there because the truck will never get out again. So I would have to bring one of the other 4x4 vehicles and get someone to bring it with the winch and then try and get me out. But also they'll need somewhere, you know, that they can stand where it's solid ground, and that is quite far up from where I was. But yeah, alright guys, so it seems like I'm on safe ground now. Let's continue this adventure.